If you are passionate about photography and retouching, let me show you something. At Retouch4Me, we create smart plugins that make photo and video retouching simple and fast. Problematic skin, accent retouching, dust on objects, or dirt in the background, these are no longer your problems, but our concern. Our software supports content processing on your computer and integrates with Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, and DaVinci Resolve. Cloud solutions are also available in Photoshop Panel and Arrows. You can subscribe to our services or buy the plugins individually. If you're unsure and want to try them out, we have demo versions and even free products. Our support team is always ready to answer your questions. Register now and choose the optimal solution to save your valuable time.